So here we are once again in the lovely Hilton Colombo, the original Hilton. It's absolutely beautiful next to the Golf Face, so it's great for walking, and of course now there's the Port City. So what have we got in this room? This is a one-bedroom suite. So as you come in on the right side, the starboard side for anybody driving boats, you've got the commode. This is for the guests when you entertain. So you've got very nice facility here, and over on the left side, the port side for boating people, here is somewhere to put your suitcase, and of course here's some wardrobe space with the good wood hangers, a special kind of wood, so it stops insects wanting to grow onto your clothing. So here we go, and let's go into the main room. As you go into the main room, you're greeted with this nice coffee table and the lounge type area. You've also got a huge TV, so you can watch videos and play your own videos, and if you're a YouTuber you can play your own YouTube videos on there. So coming round to the right, you can see we've got a nice area for entertaining. You could have 6 people quite comfortably having a meal there, which the hotel can provide. And you've also got the refreshment area. So looking at the refreshment area, you've got what's actually quite nice about this Hilton. They do the drinking water in bottles, so anybody that's eco-friendly, you're going to be happy knowing there's no plastic involved in getting the water here. You've got a nice kettle, and of course, anybody watching my videos before, you'll know you've got my favourite tea, which is Dilmah, pure green tea, English breakfast tea, and I'll have a word later on, and we're going to find that there'll be some Dilmah peppermint tea. For those that don't know, Dilmah, the father's passed away, bless him now, but the 2 sons run the company, and the 2 sons, you take the first part of each name, Dylan and Malik, then you have Dilmah. That's how the name Dilmah comes. So looking at the entertainment area here, we've got this rather groovy light system, which is quite nice. We'll have to look at those at night time, see how it is. So coming round to the views from the windows, here we can see Port City. So you can just make out, I'll try and be clever with the zooming. You can see over here, the other side of the National Secretariat, you've got the marina for Port City Marina, and coming through the gap between the hotels, you've got the rest of Port City that within 5-10 years, that's going to be full of Dubai type high-rise. Looking over to the right again, you've got one of the oldest hotels in Colombo, and you can see the cranes for the docks over in the distance there. But underneath this hotel, you've got the Dutch hospital area where they've got great music in the evenings, al fresco, sitting outside, having a meal. Absolutely superb. Great music, great atmosphere, great vibe. So that's the Dutch Dutch hospital. I'm thinking of another place there, aren't I? Dutch hospital, and but now it's not a hospital. Now it's a very nice place to eat. Local curries, foreign international foods, nice beers, nice refreshments, and great music. So let's look around at the room. I'll just get that zoom back down so you can see around. So, there we go. Look, through the next window, you can see this beautiful waterway here. Look at that. That's going to be a great tourist area before long. And coming down into the hotel grounds, you've got this beautiful lotus fish pond, a very large fish pond. People that watch my other channel, you might be interested to know that I love tropical fish. I've got a huge tropical fish tank at home in UAE, absolutely love it. But here you've got these great big fish, and you've also got the black and the white swans. You can just see one of the swans there in the corner. Very, very beautiful. And the man that comes and feeds them every morning, he's their friend. I think locals call him the Martara man, although he's not from Martara. But he looks after these fish so well. It's a pleasure to see. In the morning he comes down, he cleans up, and he gives them food, and the swans will knock food to the fish, and it's very, very beautiful. So just coming up, you can see over on the left hand side there's a bit of a footpath, and that footpath goes past this big tent, and there is a bridge, and that takes you over to the sauna, the gym, and the swimming area, and that's worthy of another video. That's really nice there. So I'll just get rid of, what else can we see? Yeah, whilst we're over here, you've got all these modern skyscrapers. Colombo is becoming very Dubai-like now. And here you've got the One Golf Face, which is a great big shopping market, supermarket, shopping mall area. You've got a lovely Spinneys type Keels, I think it's called, in the morning, in the basement area. You get even English cheese there, which is quite nice. So there's the bit of the beach, and you can just see some of the grass. Can we zoom in on that? Yeah, that grassy area there, that's Golf Face. That's where everybody goes at night time, walks up and down. All the couples get smoochy under an umbrella, and you can have some great food. So let's get rid of that zoom for a minute, and let's come back to the rest of the room tour. So here you can see a better idea of just how big this room is. You've got this great big dining table, you've got the lounge area, and yeah, it's rather nice. You could actually live here. You can certainly entertain your friends here, which is good. So, bedroom, yep, here we go. So here's the bedroom. So look at that, nice, typical Hilton. Hilton, every country I've been to in the world, there's 7,000 Hiltons, I think. I've not visited them all, but the bed are always so comfortable. You always have a great night's sleep in a Hilton bed. So what else have we got here in the room? We've got a little workstation. So you can see there's cables and things coming down there, so you can get on high-speed internet. We've got very similar view from the bedroom, so there's not much point talking about that. We've already done that, other than to say, yes, the other side of these trees, you've got a railway station. Something else we didn't see. See that tower? That's the Lotus Tower, or some people call it the Lotus Tower, but actually it's the Lotus Tower. So you've got a restaurant on the top. Very, very nice. I think that's run by the Citrus Group or something. But yeah, so into the room, look at this. Beautiful pillows. Although it's the middle of the afternoon, I'm tempted to have a little sleep, but I shall resist that. You've got huge, great big wardrobes here. I suppose if we open those, we're going to find the usual kind of things. Yep, there we go. We've got a hairdryer. You've got the laundry bags. You've got the safe to put your safe things in. Every Hilton I go to, you've got these beautiful dressing gowns or bathrobes, whatever you want to call them. You've got slippers in there. Lots of hanging space. It's really good and very safety conscious. You've got these smoke masks. If you had to evacuate, you put this on and you can breathe through the smoke. I don't think that's going to happen, but it's nice to know. What else we got? Look at this great big TV. So we can watch, if you like to watch movies whilst you're in bed, that's a great place to do that. So coming round now to the ensuite bathroom. So you've got this very nice low-level commode. You've got one wash basin and another wash basin. And of course, you've got one of those mirrors that's got a light around it, ring light around it. You've got this beautiful soap. I've talked about this soap before. This is this cedarwood soap. The smell is beautiful, the feel is beautiful, it's great. What amenities have we got here? So we've got body lotion, we've got bath gel or shower gel, you've got shampoo for your hair, and you've got conditioner to make your hair even more beautiful. You've also got some dental kits here, you've got shower caps, a sewing kit, everything you might need as a traveller. Of course, it's worth mentioning that by the commode you've got a baby shower, which is great if you're from the Middle East or Asia. I can't imagine going back to the UK now and not having a baby shower, just give all that beautiful clean feeling afterwards. So a bit of echoey because we're into the bath area. So we've got a nice bathtub, so we can have a nice long hot soak, get rid of all those aches and pains in the muscles. You've got a little flexible shower there, but also you've got another shower here. So 2 showers. In fact, you've also got a noodles rain shower. So what a beautiful area this is. So this is really good. I'm going to back out of there a little bit so we can come back into the main area. So there you've got it. You've got the ensuite, shower and bathtub, 2 wash basins, which is really nice, his and hers, whatever you like. Very quick to get out there in the morning so you can brush your teeth and make yourself look beautiful and all the rest of it. Very comfortable, very stylish. Although the hotel building is quite old, they've renovated, and now you think you're in one of these luxury hotels of Dubai. It's absolutely superb. So we've got the bathroom, we've got the ensuite facility, you've got your coffee table here, which is like a marble effect. It's very, very beautiful. And look at this for your light. It's like a fishing rod light, a Malubana fishing light, still fisherman light. Beautiful. And there's the way into the guest bathroom and the door. So, what do you think of this? Is this a beautiful place to stay in Sri Lanka, in Colombo? So many places are easy to get to by foot, or short tuk-tuk taxi ride, just a few hundred dirhams. Well, I think this is a beautiful place. If you're going to stay in Sri Lanka, you're going to Colombo, why not make a 1 or 2 night stop here before you go off to explore the rest of the beautiful island. Not everybody wants a suite, but by golly, this suite looks beautiful. Welcome to Sri Lanka. Ayubowan to Sri Lanka.